Hello friends, welcome to another video with another exciting news. Are you tired of being limited by your budget when shopping for your favorite products? Or tired of overspending on purchases and struggling to make ends meet? Do you wish there was a more flexible payment option that suited your financial needs? Well, say hello to Apple Pay Later, the revolutionary new feature from Apple that allows you to shop to your heart's content and pay later. In today's video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about Apple Pay Later and how it can help you manage your finances in a better way. But before we dive into the details, let's start with a shocking fact. Did you know that Americans collectively owe over $4 trillion in consumer debt? Yes, you heard that right. With such a crushing amount of debt, it's no wonder that people are constantly looking for better payment options. That's where Apple Pay Later comes in. Apple has introduced a new payment option that allows users to split purchases into 4 payments, spread over 6 weeks with no interest and no fees. Yes, with zero interest and no fees. But how does it work? Let's find out. Firstly, you can apply for an Apple Pay Later loan of $50 to $1,000 within the Wallet app with no impact on your credit score. A soft credit check is done during the application process to ensure you are in a good financial position to take on the loan. Once approved, you can use Apple Pay Later for online and in-app purchase made on iPhone and iPad with merchants that accept Apple Pay. You will see the Pay Later option when you select Apple Pay at checkout, and you can use Apple Pay Later to make a purchase. What's even better is that all your loans can be managed seamlessly in Wallet. You can easily track, manage and repay your Apple Pay Later loans in one convenient location. With Apple Pay Later, you can see the total amount due for all of your existing loans and the total amount due in the next 30 days. But wait, there's more. Apple Pay Later was designed with privacy and security in mind. Purchases using Apple Pay Later are authenticated using Face ID, Touch ID or passcode, and your transaction and loan history are never shared or sold to third parties for marketing or advertising purposes. And here is a fun fact. Apple Pay Later is enabled through MasterCard installments program. So merchants that accept Apple Pay do not need to do anything to implement Apple Pay Later for their customers. When a merchant accepts Apple Pay Later will be an option for the customers during checkout, online and in-app on iPhone and iPad. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Some of you may be skeptical about taking on loans even with zero interest and no fees. But here's the thing. Apple Pay Later can actually help you manage your finances better. For example, let's say you need to purchase a new laptop for work and it costs $1,000. With Apple Pay Later, you can split the payment into 4 installments of $250 each, spread over 6 weeks. This can help you manage your finances better and ensure that you don't overspend on a single purchase. But let's be real, we all know that we are going to use this to buy more stuff than we need. It's like going grocery shopping on an empty stomach. You know it's a bad idea, but you do it anyway. And with Apple Pay Later, it's just so easy to buy things and not think about consequences until later. Now I know what you are thinking. What if I can't make the payments on time? Well, don't worry, Apple's got your back. They won't charge you any fees or interest, but they will send you a ton of emails and notifications reminding you that you need to pay. So, if you are someone who's forgetful or bad with money, this might not be the best option for you. But if you are someone who's responsible with their finances and wants to split payments up into more manageable chunks, then Apple Pay Later might be a good fit for you. It's a great way to stay on top of your finances and make sure you are not overspending. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel Infinky Infopedia for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.